Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 4 over 7 minus 4 times y equals -3. Solving means isolating y on one side with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. To keep the equation balanced, we make the same change to both sides. The plus 4 over 7 keeps 4 times y from standing alone. Subtract 4 over 7 from both sides to remove it. That gives -4 times y equals -25 over 7. -4 is multiplying y. To leave y alone, divide both sides by -4. Quick check. Substitute 25 over 28 for y. Both sides equal -3, so the equation balances. So, y equals 25 over 28.